Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will read about the nouns gender, and in this video we will see the definitions of gender, its various kinds and examples. And this video is for class 5 and 6 students. So all of you get ready, and without wasting our time, let us start. So first of all, we have to see the definition of gender. What is gender? The fact of which male or female or particular classes into which nouns, pronouns, and adjectives are divided, known as gender. So here we have to understand the category of male or female in which we can divide nouns, pronouns, and adjectives is known as gender. Here it is also not important that gender is a category of noun. We can say easily that gender is a category of noun. Now we have to see the various kinds. How many kinds of gender? There are four kinds of gender. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. So it is very easy to understand, dear students, that how many kinds of gender. You can see easily there are four kinds of gender. So now we will go through the definition of each of kind, and we will also see some examples related to these kinds of genders. So the first one is masculine gender. What is masculine gender? A noun that refers to a male or to an object classified as male. So here the definition says that nouns that refers to a male. You can easily understand what is male. Okay, father, mother, father is male. So a noun that refers to a male or to an object classified as male. Not only human beings but all the other objects that shows maleness. Okay, these are called masculine gender. Let us see some examples. Boy, lion, man, actor, dog, the sun, summer, ocean, etc. Here you can see that boy, we can easily understand that boy is male, lion is male, man is male. So it is very easy to understand the masculine gender. But the sun, why sun is categorized in masculine gender? Because sun shows powers. Sun has the power and it's very hot. Summer season, it's very hot. Ocean is very big and power. All these objects of nature which shows us power and know for their powerfulness are categorized in masculine gender, or we can uh, call them masculine. So this is all about masculine gender. Now we have to see feminine gender. What is feminine gender? A noun that refers to a female, a noun that refers to a female or to a object remarkable for beauty, gentleness, and gracefulness. Here you can see the difference from masculine gender. That here in the definition it is mentioned that beauty, gentleness, and gracefulness. It's not also it is not only showing us the female or female character, but it's also showing us the beauty, gentleness, and gracefulness in feminine gender. So let us see some examples. Girl, lioness, woman. Okay, actress, the moon, and mercy. Here it is very easy to understand that girl is female, so it is in feminine gender. Lioness female, uh, woman female, actress also female. But here it's, you can say this object, this moon. Why moon is categorized in female or feminine gender? Because moon light is very calm and beautiful. Nature is very beautiful. You can look around us. There are a lot of trees, beautiful flowers. These are indicates beautifulness. So nature is in feminine gender. Mercy, mercy, we always see that mercy given to us by lady or some intelligent on. So mercy, the moon, nature are categorized in feminine gender. Now the next one is common gender. What is common gender? A noun that refers to a male or a female is called common gender. A noun that refers to a male or female is called common gender. Here the word common indicates as the noun in which both male and female indicates or refers. Okay, we can understand easily from the examples: friend, teacher, student, child, doctor, all are common gender. Why? Your friend can become a boy and your friend can become a girl also. A teacher can become a male and a teacher can become a female. Student also, boy student, girl student. So doctor, lady doctor, gents doctors. So in common gender we can combine both male and female. That's why it is common gender. I hope you are understanding, students, and it is very easy to understand. So be concentrated all of you and be with me. Okay, now the next one and last one, that is neuter gender. What is neuter gender? A noun that refers to a non-living object is called neuter gender. It's very easy to understand. We only have to understand the non-living objects. I hope you all know what is non-living. You can see around of us there are lot of thing non-living objects, just like book, bag, fan, chair, stone, paper, all are non-living objects. So these all non-living objects are neuter gender, isn't it? I hope this is very clear to all of you students. So in this video we understood the genders, its various kinds, and I have also figured here the gender. You can see easily gender is categorized in 4 types: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter genders. So I hope you understood the lessons, the nouns, gender. In this video we discussed about gender, its various kinds, with examples and definitions. Now dear students, you have to prepare your fair copy and you have to read 4 or 5 times and you have to remember all these things, and on the base of this remembering you have to solve your exercise problem yourself. Then we will also upload video on exercise. Till then all of you take care, have a nice day, bye.